New York City, the city that never sleeps, the ultimate dream destination, and home to some of the most iconic landmarks in the world. But, behind the glitz and glamour, there's a hidden price tag that no one really talks about, until now. You've seen it in the movies, you've dreamed of walking these streets, but have you ever wondered, what does it really cost to live here? Spoiler alert, it's more than just your rent. First up, rent. Sure, you've heard New York is expensive, but did you know the average rent for a one-bedroom apartment is over $4,000 a month? And that's not even in Manhattan. Oh, you're thinking Brooklyn? Queens? Think again! But rent is just the beginning, because what you're about to find out will completely change how you see this city. You'd think you could save money by eating out at the famous $1 pizza joints or cooking at home, right? Wrong. A single trip to the grocery store can cost you upwards of $150, and that's before you get hit with the NYC convenience tax. You know, $7 coffees, $20 sandwiches, and $40 brunches, but wait until you hear about the one cost you're definitely not expecting. It's coming. Hang tight. Utilities? Sky high? Public transportation? $2.90 a ride may sound cheap, but it adds up fast. And hidden fees, like building amenities, delivery surcharges, and mandatory tips, will drain your wallet faster than you can say, Empire State. But none of this compares to the biggest hidden cost of living here, the one no one sees coming. The hidden price tag of living in NYC isn't just about money, it's about your time. You'll work longer hours just to afford the basics. You'll spend hours commuting. And before you know it, the city takes more than your paycheck. It takes your peace of mind. So, is it worth it? That's a question only you can answer. Living in New York City is a dream for many, but it comes with sacrifices. If you're ready for the hustle, the chaos, and the price tag, this city might just reward you in ways money can't buy. But remember, every dream has a cost. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes truths about the world's most iconic cities. See you next time.